Hello friends, and welcome to Mr. Woodturning. Today I shall be doing a review on this new tool that's been sent to me by Colin of CL Woodturning up in Sunderland, and it's a take on a Russian tool called a lathe knife, as he calls it, a lathe knife as I call it. This is a lathe knife, it's got me at it now, lathe knife evolution. It comes with a detachable head, if you can see that. So we'll get it on the lathe in a minute and have a go at it. But I want to, kindly sent me this free. I will point it out, and I'm not going to do a review that's biased in any way. I will try and do something honest. If I don't like it, I will say so. If I do like it, I will say so. If I'm indifferent, I will say that as well. So we also come, the Evolution with the detachable top comes with a carbide cutter that can go on in place of it. So I don't know if you can see that. I've got no way of looking at this camera, so I can't see what's on it. And I can't afford a proper video system. So just to make do with what we have. Anyway, we'll be getting back on the lathe in a minute, and I'll catch you then. Thank you. Right, here we are at the lathe. I've put a jacket on. It's cold down this workshop this morning, despite being nice and sunny outside. Now, before we even start, I've never ever used one of these tools before. I've not practiced with this yet. This is going to be the first cut. I'm going to have to experiment a little bit, so bear with me. But I'm anxious to see what it looks like. Put my safety visor on just in case. And we're running at approximately 1100 RPM. It's all locked off. Right. I'm a bit nervous about this, I tell you. Gauge the bevel. Whoa. Yeah, you've got to be careful. Let's try again. Aha. I've seen a few Russian videos on this, and the guys with these lathe knives are absolutely amazing. They have fantastic skills. They use this to do virtually everything. You can cut coves and beads and even pass off with it. This is a bit of mahogany I've picked up. It's not a hat stand. I've picked it up in Manchester. It's slightly out of round. Taking this very gently. Oops. Can't escape back. Engage the bevel first. Well, initial impression, it certainly looks easier than it is. Second impression, I'm going to have to play with this a little bit. got a bit of skew either, so we'll play with this, and that's starting to get a feel for it now. In fact, you can use any edge, you can use the heel, you can use the tip, or toe, whichever you prefer. Oops, careful. They're using the skid back. Get there again. We're not used to it, so we'll soon get the hang of it, I hope. Yeah. First impressions are, it's a bit of a beast, but it's maybe I just need to back this tool rest off away. I've seen the Russian turners, they do it like that, with one finger over, or maybe two, I can't remember now, but I don't know, but as I say, you've got to practice, as with anything, you've got to practice. And this is odd, I don't know if it's two pieces of wood glued together or not, but that's the way it is. Strange, but anyway, let's carry on, do a little bit more. It's a bit more comfortable. The tool is a bit further away actually. As with any tool, you just got to be careful you don't get a catch. Now I've seen him go. Oh wow. That's this way. You've got to be careful. Very careful. I don't like that bit, but as I say, I'm not exactly used to it yet. First attempt. So, engage the bevel. Roll the hand a bit, and keep practicing it. I'm beginning to like it. Not 100% sure yet. Could be a bit dangerous if you're not careful, and that's exactly what I mean. There again. There's the bevel. Go straight in. Well, initial impression. Initial impression is it's a beast. You've got to be careful. I get as many kickbacks as I do with a skew, but I think we're going to have to have a bit more practice. In fact, I think we're going to have a lot more practice. But overall, yeah, I don't know. I think I like it, and I'm not just saying that because I got it for free. I'm trying to be honest with you. It's going to take a bit of getting used to. I could probably do as well with a skew, but I think we've got more potential versatility with this, and as I say, it's a matter of practice. It's taken Colin a while to get used to it, and the way these Russian turners use it is amazing. But we've got to practice a different grip, maybe a different height of the tool rest. I don't know. We haven't. Maybe that's too high. I don't know. It's just a matter of going back to putting another piece on, our practice pieces, and getting on and doing it. Okay, that's part 1. I will do part 2 after I've done some practice with this, and that's my initial thoughts and response and initial use of the tool, and not very good result there. But hey, lots of catches and kickbacks and stuff like that. But you never know until you try. Thank you.